Hey everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits. In this video, we are going to learn about naming variables in Python. So, let's get started. First, let's create our Python file 03 underscore, let's say types underscore variables dot py. Okay. In Python, we use letters and numbers to make variable names, but there are some rules we must follow. Let's go through them. So the first one, let me grab my note. Let's number it. So start with a letter or underscore. A variable name should start with a letter like ABC or an underscore. It cannot start with a number. Let's see some example. Apple equal to 5. This will be valid. And underscore apple equal to 6. This will be also valid. But if we start with a number, let's say 1 apple, you can see the red symbol equal to, let's say, 10. This will be invalid. Why? Let's say due to number in the beginning. So we see we can start with a letter, an underscore, but we cannot start with a number. So this is the first rule. Let's move to number 2. Let me grab my note. Let's number it. So no spaces allowed. You cannot use spaces in variable names. Use an underscore instead. So let's see some example. Let's say I have a variable named my cat equal to Mika. Let's use underscore here. So this will be valid. Why? Because there's no space. But if we use my cat equal to Mika, this will be invalid. Why? Because there's a space. So this will be invalid due to space in between. So this is rule number 2. Let's move to number 3. Let me grab my note. Let's number it. So case matters. Here small and small. The S here is small letters and the S here is capital letters, are different in Python. So be careful with big and small letters. So let's see the example. Let's say apple equal to 5 and apple equal to 10. Both of these are valid, but here the apple starts with a small letter A and this starts with a capital letters. So both of these are valid, but they are different. So this is rule number 3. Okay, let's move to number 4. Let me grab my note. Let's number it number 4. So don't use Python keywords. Python has special words called keywords. We cannot use them as variable names. Examples. There we have and, for, while, if, true, false, and some more. We cannot use them as variable names. So this is rule number 4. Let's move to number 5. Let's number it. No special symbols like @ You cannot use special symbols like @ in variable names. Only letters, numbers and underscores are allowed. So let's see some example. Let's say we have @ apple equal to 5. So this will be invalid due to symbol. Let's say we have but in the middle of the variable name. Let's say app@le equal to 6. Now what will happen? This will also be invalid because we cannot use any special symbol like in our variable name. So this will be invalid due to symbol. So these are the 5 rules we must remember while naming our variables. So that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.